Hello, innovative thinkers. Are you ready to boost your sales? Then be with me. I am Dhaval Patel, owner and founder of Technovative Solution. I'm going to show you the demo come presentation of Technovative CRM, a completely ready to use CRM software designed specifically to automate your marketing and sales operations. So you can increase the performance of your salesperson and reduce the cost of operations, which results in increase of sales and profit with ease. So if you are facing some issues in your sales and marketing, then definitely you are facing these issues. So Technomed CRM will help you to fetch all your leads from all your lead generation platform in a single screen. It will also assign your each and every leads to the concerned salesperson automatically. Your salesperson can schedule his follow-ups in the Technomed CRM, and it will remind for each and every planned follow-ups through pop-up and notifications. So your salesperson will never forget a single follow-up. It will help them to increase their sales performance. Okay, and you can also set automated follow-ups through marketing automation feature of Technomed CRM. So it will save a lots of time of your salesperson due to this automated follow-ups. And you can also track your each and every activity and the performance of a salesperson in Technomed CRM. So let's see how we can do these things in Technomed CRM. So this is the home screen of Technomed CRM, where you can see all the departments. Now let's move to the CRM directly. So here you can see the sales pipeline. This is the individual view of your each and every salesperson. So whenever your salesperson will log in, he can see only the leads which is belongs to him, which he is doing the follow-ups. So he can able to see only his own sales pipeline, right? Now let's see how this leads will be created. So the first method is to create the leads manually from this button, create. Whenever you create the lead, you have to feed this much data. The first one is the lead title. The title is means from where this inquiries came, from which customer, and for what your product or services. Like this is the inquiry for computer from Mr. Dhaval Patel. Okay, you can add your expected revenue over here, that if this lead will convert into sales, how much revenue it will give you in your business. What is the probability that that lead will convert into sales? So you can mention this too. This is the contact customer information, like from which customer this inquiry is generated. So if this is your existing customer, it's already there in your contact list, you can select it from here. And if it's not there, you can create and edit it from here. Okay, so it will it will add all its information like email, mobile, and everything. You can also mention the expected closing date of this lead. You can set the priorities. You can also add tags. So it will help you to identify the leads, to classify the leads, like this lead is for which of your product, which of your services, or this is a recurring inquiry, one time inquiry, what kind of customer is this. So all these things you can set in the tags, right? You can also set the type of customers, like it's a dealer or distributor. You can also set the product information. And you can, in the internal note, you can mention anything which is regarding this inquiry. Like if this is the inquiry for computer, the configuration customer wants is 6 GB RAM, 4 CPU, 4 core CPU, 1 TB HDD. So like this, you can enter all this information. This is a free field. So you can add anything related to this inquiry. So it will help you to understand the detailed requirement of this client. In the follow-up tab, you can mention the another information, like it's the address, the city, state, zip, country, all the information of this customer. Other than that, you can also mention this inquiry is generated from which of your source, like from Facebook, from Just Dial, IndiaMart, your website. So what is the source of this inquiry? So it will help you to classify, to get the data, like which of your marketing medium is performing well in your business. So you can plan your marketing budget accordingly. If someone is referred you can also mention his name over here. So this is all about the lead information. Like this, you can create your lead. Now this is not the only way, this is only the single way. If you are investing in your many marketing medium like Facebook, India Mart, Trade India, website, in Google campaign, so all the lead generated from these all platforms will automatically integrated in the system, automatically fetch in the system. So Technomed CRM is already integrated with India Mart, Trade India, Just Dial, Facebook, Instagram. So all the leads generated over here, that will automatically come in this Technomed CRM. So it will help you to manage all your leads from all your marketing platforms in a single screen, right? Now your lead is created. Now the second step is we need to assign this lead to the concerned salesperson, the concerned sales team. So let's see how we can manage the sales team and sales person. So in configuration, you can go to the sales team. Here you can create your sales team, whatever you have in your business. So for demonstration purpose, I have created a dummy sales team, that is domestic sales team. So you can mention the name of the sales team, whatever you have, like domestic, or if you have a state-wise sales team, you can create it like that too. You can mention who is the team leader of this sales team, right? And who is the concerned salesperson, like Joe Wheels. These are the sales team, salesperson under this sales team, right? So my sales team structure is defined like this. Now you want to assign the sales lead generated from your different parameters. Like this is my domestic sales team. So whatever leads generated through India and through these platforms like India Mart, Facebook, and Just Tap. So source is this one. So like this, you can add your unlimited parameters in here, right? So whatever this source parameter will match with this, it will all the leads will be assigned to this concerned sales team. And in salesperson, I have mentioned that if the lead is generated from Delhi and UP, it will assign to Jai. If the lead is generated from Just Dial or Punjab and Haryana, it will assign to Joe. So like this, you can set your own rule based on the structure you have in your sales team, right? So all the lead will be automatically assigned to the salesperson. Now your lead is generated automatically, and you have already assigned this lead to the concerned sales team and salesperson. Now the role of your salesperson is started over here. Your each and every salesperson getting his assigned lead over here automatically. Now what they will do, they will open the lead and they will do the follow-ups. They will start the follow-ups from here. He will talk with the client. He can schedule the activity, like if he has called this prospect but he was busy today, so he is asked to call tomorrow again. So he will again schedule the activity, like I would like to call this prospect on tomorrow morning. So he can set the date as well as time from here, right? So system will remind for this call before 1 minute, and if you want to change this time, you can also change, like I would like to remind before 10 minutes, so you can do that. Even you can set this reminder in email as well as SMS. Even if you can assign this activity to some other person as well, like if you are not there tomorrow, so you can assign this lead to this activity to some of your colleague, right? And this all the activities also custom. You can create all your inquiry which you are going to do in your business, like call, WhatsApp, email, meeting, make for quote or follow-up quote, right? So like this, I can schedule the activity. Now, if you want to see all your scheduled activity all together, you can just move to this activity view. Here is our activity view where your each and every salesperson can get all his planned activities together. Here you can see all your activities in three colors. If this is a yellow color, it's for today. Is red color activity is already due activity, and this green color activity is for future. So from here you can get to know these activities, do I have to do today or it's already due, or I need to do it on future. If you want to see all your today's activity all together, you can just click over here, so it will be comes up. So as we have planned a call just right now, you can see this in inquiry in computer from Dhawal. I have scheduled a call. Okay, so here is the name of inquiry, here is the activity which I need to perform, and the date. If I click over here, it will show me all my planned activities. I can click on here and I can mention the feedback, like I have called this prospect, and whatever is feedback I can mention, like he is asked me to send me code, ask me to send code. So this feedback I can mention and I can done this activity. So it will be removed from this schedule activity. On if I want to done and schedule next, I can click on this. So it will ask me to what activity I would like to schedule next. I can select it and I can schedule again. Okay, so like this I can perform my each and every activity. Now if you want, if you will move to the activity again, whatever the activity I will perform and whatever the feedback I will mention, that will be recorded. Like here you can see just now I have performed this call and he has asked me to send code. This is I have mentioned. So it is recorded that this activity is done by admin just now. So like this, it will create each and every history generated, like when this lead is created and what are the activity you are performing, that will be recorded. So it will help you to track what are follow-ups you've done, taken in each and every lead. Right? It will help you to do your next activity in in a proper way. Right? Now, if this customer is asked you to send a quotation, you can directly create a quotation from this button, new quotation. And if it's already generated, you can see it directly from here. So in quotation, you can set the customer, you can select your product, the quantity and price, tax, everything. You can set your payment term, and you can just send it by email. So this quotation will be automatically sent through system to your customer. Okay. If you want to see all your quotations together, you can move to the sales. Here you can see all your send quotation, and you can also track it with the different status, like it's in quotation or in sales order stage or it's quotation send stage. Okay. If anytime if you send this quotation and this customer has agreed with your quotation, you can just open this and you can click on this button confirm, so its stage will change from quotation to sales order, right? And if you want to create the invoice for this, you can just click on this create invoice, so it will create the invoice automatically, right? So it's super easy, single click, all the operation is in single click. Now you can track all your invoices from here. You can see all these invoices which you generated with its payment status, like whether it's paid or not. And if it's not paid, if this customer is paid you today, you can register the payment from this button. Okay. Now, if you want to set, now let us see the marketing automation, how you can set it. So in marketing automation, if you want to set it like that, whenever you generate any new inquiry, it will send your introduction mail or SMS. So you can set it from here. You have set a parameter like the stage is new, it will send this particular mail. You can create your own designer mail with our ready to use snippets, like this is my designer mail. I can use any of his ready to use snippets. Like we have many ready to use snippets. If you want to add some tagline like this, it will be there. You can just change the design content and it's created. So it's super easy, right? After that, you can just schedule it. Okay. So whenever any new lead will generated, it will automatically send this introduction mail like this. If this lead will be qualified by you, it will send this particular mail. If it's you send the quotation, it will send do this follow-ups. And if this lead is converted into sales, it will send this thank you message. So like this, you can create your unlimited marketing campaign to set your automated follow-ups in your complete lead journey. You can also send email marketing campaign from the system. For that, you can set your target audience, whether you want to target your lead or your contact or some mailing list, right? If you want to set it by lead, you can set your own filters, like if you want to target the lead of particular state or particular tech or particular stage, right? After that, you can create your own designer template as we have seen earlier, and you can send or schedule it. Like if you have some weekend offer, so if you want to send the weekend offer, you can send. And after that, after completion of this marketing campaign, you can even track your marketing campaign, that how many is received, how many percentage of mail is opened, how much is repaired and bounced. And if you want to see that how much is opened and which email is opened, you can track that too from here. Okay. Like the same way, you can even send the SMS marketing campaign from the system. Our system is already integrated with our inbuilt IVR system as well. So you can do the call, or even you can receive the call from the system, and you can track all these things, like how many calls is received, how many is answered, how many is missed, from which user, what was the call duration, everything you can track in a single screen. In contact, you can check all your contact details. Now let us see the analytic part. So this is most important for any admin or any use manager, right? So we'll move to this dashboard. So this is the CRM dashboard. In CRM dashboard, you can see how many leads I have, how many active leads, how many inactive leads, what is my win to loss ratio, what are the activity is done by my each and every person. Like in Jay has done 6 calls, he has done 6 follow-up code, and 5 WhatsApp. So like this, you can track each and every activity report for each and every your salesperson. You can see the salesperson wise, stage wise active leads, from which source I have generated how many leads. Like in India Mart, I have generated 9 leads, and website I have generated 22 leads. So which marketing platform is running very well for you? What is my stage wise lead ratio? What is my lost reason? So if you lost any lead, system will ask you for the reason for lost, and this is compulsory. So and for that too, you can generate the report, like in admin has lost 3 leads because of this reason, too expensive, and 2 leads because of not enough stock. And this is not the only report. This is just our standard reports. You can create your unlimited reports from this button, and you can see this report for any time period. Like if you want to see this report for today, it will change accordingly. If you want to see this report for this month, this week, so like this, it will, you can set your time perimeter as well. Like the same way, you can also see the sales reports, sales dashboard. We'll move to the sales dashboard. Here you can see how many quotations you have, how many orders you generated in this particular time period, what is your top customers with its amount of untaxed and tax revenue generated, who are your salesperson with its revenue, how many number of quotations per salesperson, and what is your top 10 sold products. So like this, here also you can create your unlimited reports. Okay, so it will help you to track your each and every business activity, and you can remain connected with your business live. You can also plan your activity in calendar. Here you can set your schedule activity in meetings. So like this, you can do lot many things. This is not the only things you can do. This is just an introduction, a very brief introduction. There are a lot more features in Technomed CRM. So if you are interested, just call us, or you can even schedule a free trial with Technomed CRM. Okay, so just call us. We are here to help you. And if you are feel that your requirement is not fulfilled in this, you have some more requirement, or you would like to do some customization, we are also open for customization. We can do all the customization, so your complete requirement will be fulfilled, and you can get the complete system as per your need. And we are not having only CRM, we are also dealing in CRM, after sales service management, help desk, project and task management, and even a complete ready to use ERP softwares. Okay, so we have a lot many IT solutions, so you can contact us for that. Thank you very much for your precious time. Have a good day. Bye.